How to draw and sign on Google Docs. How one can draw on Google Docs. How to attract in Google Docs is not instantly apparent, nevertheless it's a function you need to use so as to add shapes, phrase artwork, create diagrams and extra. If that is not sufficient energy for you, you would additionally use the Google Drawings app, which supplies extra options. Each strategies work for instance your Google Docs. The simplest means to attract on Google Docs is to make use of the drawing function. The capabilities of this function are restricted, nevertheless it works nice for fast shapes, phrase artwork, and easy diagrams. Begin by creating or opening a doc in Google Docs. Then place your cursor within the doc the place you need the drawing to seem. Choose Insert greater than drawing. If it is advisable to insert a signature into Google Docs, that is the choice you'll use. Choose plus New. The drawing window opens. Right here, you may choose the kind of drawing you wish to create from the Actions menu. For instance, you would select phrase artwork from this menu. A textual content field seems in your drawing. Kind the textual content you need to use for phrase artwork. When you've gotten the textual content you need, press Enter to reserve it. The textual content seems within the drawing. The contextual toolbar on the high of the web page additionally modifications to present you font and color choices. Regulate these choices till the phrase artwork seems to be the best way you need it to. You even have the choice so as to add traces, shapes, textual content containers, or photos from the toolbar on the high of the window. For instance, you would add a colored form to your drawing to set off your phrase artwork. To try this, choose the form device on the high of the web page, spotlight shapes, arrows, or callouts, after which choose the specified form. There may be additionally the choice so as to add equations on this menu. In case you're making a mathematical equation, this would be the choice you utilize to insert it in your doc. As soon as the form is inserted into the drawing, you may alter the looks of it utilizing the context toolbar on the high of the drawing window. You might also have to push the form to the background so you may see the phrase artwork you created. To try this, right-click the form, Spotlight Order, after which choose Ship to again. Whenever you've completed making the changes that you just need to make to your drawing, click on Save and Shut. The drawing will probably be inserted into your doc on the level of your cursor. Including drawings immediately in Google Docs can solely be performed utilizing Google Docs in a browser. That function is just not out there as an app for iOS or Android units. Neither the drawing function of Google Docs nor Google Drawing permits for using a stylus or pen for freehand drawing. You're restricted to some primary varieties of illustrations, all of which might be managed utilizing a mouse. Insert a drawing utilizing Google Drawings. Including drawings from inside Google Docs has some limitations. Essentially the most evident of these is the restricted capabilities of the drawing operate. To beat that, you may insert a drawing that you just create in Google Drawings. In case you're utilizing a Chrome browser or the Chrome OS, you may access Google Drawings in the Chrome Web Store. Open Google Drawings in your internet browser. Create your drawing utilizing the menus and toolbars which might be out there. You may see some choices right here that are not out there within the drawing operate of Google Docs. These embrace tables, charts, and diagrams. Whenever you're completed, you may shut the drawing and it is mechanically saved into your Google Drive. Then, to insert it into your Google Doc, place your cursor the place you need the drawing to seem in your doc and choose Insert greater than drawing greater than from Drive. Choose your drawing and it is positioned in your doc on the location of your cursor. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.